Hey, what's up everyone? So I am actively having the issue where I am plugging in my controller to my Xbox. I made a video earlier about this actually helping my controller connect, but it is not connecting. So right now you can see there's a cable ran and it's connected here. I've tried pulling this cable out, taking the batteries out and everything. So now I'm gonna try and do a hard reset, and I'm gonna just leave it plugged in. So doing the hard reset, I'm holding this until the button turns off all the way. So it's done flashing. I'm gonna come to the back here, pull the power out. And it's just draining any power left in the system. I'm gonna plug it back in now. My controller still shows that it's on. I think I'm gonna turn that off. Take the battery out of that actually, because I want everything to reset. So pull that out, turn the Xbox on. It's gonna do like its whole load up thing of as if it was new. All right, now I'm putting in my controller batteries. We're gonna turn that on, see if that works. And it connected. So I left the cable disconnected, but now it is working. It's not working, but that is one of the fixes for this. If that doesn't work and the cable doesn't work, I'm not sure what you could do besides just trying over and over. But just wanted to show you that sometimes the cable, it's not consistent, but plugging the cable in has been the ultimate fix, where it just corrects the issue within seconds. Disconnect the cable and then take your wireless controller, go sit on the couch and start playing. But that's what did it for me now. Sometimes I have my headset do the same thing. I have these Lucid wireless headphones for my Xbox and gaming, and sometimes it will not connect. So I'm juggling back and forth trying to get my controller to connect or get my headset to connect, and you know, trying to meet friends online within a few minutes or something like that. Sometimes 10 minutes later I'm finally ready. So just wanted to share that with you. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this video for people having the issue, and hopefully it's helpful. If I come across any other issues, or if anyone has any other fixes, please do share. But if I come across anything, I will absolutely share, because I'd like to make this as less frustrating as possible. I purchased this Xbox with this controller and another controller in the box for almost $600 through Costco. So it sucks to spend so much money and have an issue like this, especially if it's not working for some of you. That has to be extremely frustrating. But there we have it. Hopefully that was helpful. Please feel free to give me a like there. Feel free to subscribe for future videos. I'm posting all kinds of stuff on my channel, so not just gaming stuff. But when I do post gaming stuff, usually it's helpful. So thank you very much and have a great day.